joined this class because I thought I'd be cooking with a partner. But she's never here, and I don't get twice the grades for doing all the work.
I didn't invent odd numbers, Seth.
I know, but look at Evan, okay? Just look at him.
Hey, don't keep me waiting much longer. I'm getting impatient up here. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, you're embarrassing.
I'm over here in my unit, isolated and alone, eating my terrible tasting food, and I gotta look over at that. Looks like the most fun I've ever seen in my entire life. And it's BS, excuse my language, I'm just saying that I wash and dry. I'm like a single mother. Look, we all know home ec is a joke, no offense. It's just like everyone takes this class to get an A. It's bullshit, and I'm sorry. And I'm not putting down your profession, but it's just the way I feel. I don't want to sit here all by myself cooking this shitty food, no offense, and I just think that I don't ever need to cook tiramisu. When am I gonna need to cook tiramisu? Am I gonna be a chef? No, there's 3 weeks left in school, give me a fucking break. I'm sorry for cursing.
All right, Jules' partner isn't here today either. Pair up with her, station 4.
Jules. All right, I'll give it another shot. Give home ec another shot.